What is a Syphon CO2 tank? Basically, a Syphon CO2 tank is a CO2 tank that has a dip tube down the center of the tank. So if this was the tank, the dip tube goes down the tank and is connected to the valve on top. Think of a straw in a soda cup, okay? If there's no straw in the soda cup, but there's soda in it and the lid's on it and you squeeze it, the air just comes out the top. But if you put the straw in it and then squeeze it, boom, soda comes out. Well, the reason why is the tank is also a similar concept. It's under pressure. The CO2, the liquid CO2 will come out. So how do you tell if you have a siphon tube or not? We have another video specifically on that on the channel, link in the description, or it's on the channel. Please go watch that. And that explains that there. Now a siphon tube, sometimes they are referred to as something else called a dip tube. Siphon spelled S-I-P-H-O-N versus S-Y-P-H-O-N. Same thing. Dip tube, same thing. Adductor tube, same thing. The valve at the top is going to be marked E-T, E-D, not E-T phone home, okay? Adductor tube, E-T, yeah, okay, I know. Now E-D, adductor, for adductor tube, okay, adductor tube, adductor tube, but it just says reference ED. We're not talking about the guy medication here, okay? I know, all jokes aside, or just a siphon tube, ST, or the tank is clearly marked. So those are ways to know. Otherwise, a siphon tube really just gets the liquid out of the tank. They're also called a liquid draw tank. Okay, so if you need liquid CO2, you need a siphon tank. If you need gas CO2, you don't need a siphon tank. That's the easy determination between the two. Like and subscribe if you found value to this. Leave a comment below. Let us know what type of tank that you have, what you need, and we love to see those comments. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.